After that much, it was a trekking. Beautiful trekking. Okay, bye. And that was a nice gesture of the old man. It makes a lot of difference. But firstly, I need air. I terribly need water. Sirsi 40 Agrane 4. Oh, hold on. Just take a glimpse. This is Unchali, but whatever we see while going, while coming, it looks differently. Angdi elide angdi? Thanks. It's just to make people talk, that's it. Siddapur. Shimag Agrani. This Agrani. I am on the right thing. I remember this point. Hi, my boys and girls. The well culture is there still. This was a small glimpse of the village side of Sirsi. Burude Falls. Falls ante చూపిస్తున్నాడు. They are coming as if no one will be coming because no one comes here. Google is trying to catch me. This is a complete forest. I have completely lost somewhere. I don't know where because the Google is also not showing maybe right position. I think yes, I'm in the right direction. I do remember some of the locations actually. Tanda Gundi, again the forest belt. Here, everywhere, go right, left, up, down, everywhere there is forest and nothing else. What a rider needs even more than this? Tell me. Forest, forest, forest. Everywhere forest. Wherever you go, whatever you do, there is only forest. Nothing else. I may get a chain tighter in Banavasi. Let's hope so. Kanchikai. This is a single road forest. We are just going inside and inside the forest. For Banavasi there is another 1 hour journey. From Banavasi to Sirsi also 1 hour journey, I think so. When I was a kid, the roads of Mysore and Bangalore used to be like this much small. And in that one only buses used to roam. Narsagal. Tattikai. Maybe the deviation I took there is not going to come because I am traveling another road, I think. I need to take this. Aye, this is the junction, I think. No, this is not the junction. Can see the jungle. This is all forest. Oh, there is a river also. No. It is the same picture perfect thing like a tiger reservoir. When the tiger comes and drinks water, the same scene, the same pond, it looks like the same pond. I think I am in a forest belt. Which forest I too don't know because this is not showing anything. What happens if a tiger passes by? None of the tigers comes on my way. Yeah, they are. Some board is there. Let's see. We'll go till there. This is not state highway also. This is somewhat highway. Where am I going? People are there. So the off-roading begins of this season. This season's off-roading starts. This is showing this road. Let's go. This is a forest trail. ABS mode. Because I don't think so there is a road till the junction, this shortcut or what, I don't know. It's nice that we are going in off-road. This is the jungle. It's fully jungle only. We are in a wrong direction. We are really entering the jungle direction. We need to go back. Where is it going, boys? It's in the extreme jungle. Huh? There is no signal also. We just got lost in the jungle and now we are going somewhere, waiting for location. This maps, I should have downloaded it. Mesmerising beauty. I got lost in the jungle of Sirsi. Then again somehow I came back. Welcome to Sirsi Forest Range. I was here. Am I lost? No. Oh, where? I'm going to the point. I think so. This is Hirir, I think. Hirir or Horror. Why am I rowing me here and here only? I missed the route. I had gone that way, I have come the another way. That's why there is confusion. Unchalapal. Now let's go to Burude Falls. I got a glimpse of the river. Wow. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ಗೆ? So people, just have a glimpse and check out the nature. It's again showing unknown road. What's the matter? I don't know. Waiting for location seems. ಇದು ಬುರುಡೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ
ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದನೇ ರೋಡ್ ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾದ್ಗೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುರುಡೆ ಜೋಗಾಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾಂ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. There is a lot to do about tourism. Then only tourism will develop. Wow. छोटा Amazon. Sun is making shade for me because he doesn't want me to become black. That's why. Idgi, I think I've heard about Idgi. Again, the Google map has screwed us successfully. I should have asked people instead of Google. Successfully, Google has misled us once again. This road goes to Kumta, it seems. First bridge is done. The second bridge, there is an arch and a board, it seems. I missed the arch and the board, I think so. This is the bridge. Welcome to Burude Falls. 7 kilometers. Again a mesmerising bridge. That is Panaskai, no jackfruit. Where are you, Burude Falls? You're too deep in the jungle, boy. Taggedele. It's a dense forest. Ah, 8,000. Gold has reached another milestone of 8,000 kilometers. Can you imagine the jungle? There are signboards, means we have to go still more deep into the jungle, my boy. There are signboards, don't worry. Burude Falls is here or somewhere. Oh, it's becoming dark and dark. The road ends here. Let's go still there. It's a walking trail, that's why we can go But where is the falls, man? ಅವ್ರು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರನಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅವರಾ? Okay, let's go to Burude Falls. After a long and struggled navigation, we came to this Burude Falls. Oh shit, I forgot to bring my DSLR also. It's okay, let's go. See the upwards, we have parked the goalie in the parking, and there is a parking guy who can take care of it. So, no troubles. And the tourists also are not there much, so we can enjoy superbly. Just take a look around. I think this is a bamboo tree. No, it's not bamboo tree, something else. Let's go. I think the water also comes from here also. He's a left. He's a parking boy also, as well as a left. Here we can't see anything. Okay, let's go to another point. It's all covered with bushes. Wow. Just take round look. Hold it. You can hear the sound of the water. Why? Want to see? Just see here. Look at it. There's all the water. I lost my voice because no food. After this we'll go. We'll see mind blowing. We'll see such a hotel and we'll go. But before that, just I will show you slowly. Just a second. Hold on. Okay, let's go. Just the falls. It's called Burude Falls. Why Burude Falls? I don't know. This is the last point. So let's have a look. That's how this actually is. That's where we came from. What a beauty. Let's okay, catch you later with some beautiful pics and I'll catch you on the ride with Goldie, okay? Bye. Let's go. So that was the guy whom I chatted a bit while. He gave me the route map exactly where to go and what to do. He says next to by Siddapur you can go. Okay, bye. Goldie did its 8,000 kilometer in Burude Falls. This is an off-road. Woohoo! Let's go, buddy!